Good evening. Now we are off to start Chapter 4, Microsoft Windows 7. It is an operating system. So what is an operating system? That is a software which helps us to run the computer properly. Computer is a machine. We cannot understand machine language, that you know. So here what we do is we have created a program. By using that program we are controlling all the activities of a computer. So that is operating system. When the computer is completely ready, the first screen what we see is called desktop. This desktop will have start button, program buttons, then notification icons and desktop icons. Desktop icon, here you can see my computer, a recycling bin, like that. So this page is called desktop. The bottom line, which includes start button, is called task bar. Then system tray, that is our notification icon area, that also will be there. On the desktop there are many icons. The important icon in that group is my computer icon. So a computer screen and a CPU is shown, that is my computer icon. If you double click on my computer icon, a new window will open. In that we can see many things. First one, hard disk drives. Computer will have many hard disk drive partitions. So we can see local disk C, local disk D, local disk E, like that. Then all the devices and removable storage. If you have a floppy disk, it will show there. If you have a CD drive, it will show there. Then recycling bin. Recycling bin is a dustbin of computer. Whatever you delete will go there. And then documents. All the documents will be in a folder. You can see it on the left side of your screen. That is in the libraries. You can see libraries there. In a computer, whatever we save as a single file will be stored in a folder. So you have a file in your house. In that file we will keep different papers. So the papers are files, and your file which you keep your A4 sheets inside, that is called folder in computer. So we used to arrange all the things in a folder. Your personal pictures, birthday pictures, so you will give birthday photos, that will be in a folder. Your project, you have to create a folder and keep it inside. So how will we create a folder? It's very easy. Just right click on the desktop, nothing much. Right click on the desktop. Then in that menu select a new folder. Is it remember? New folder. Then folder will come. Then click the folder and you can give any name to that. Let us find one more way to create a new folder. Right click on the start button. In textbook page number 31, figure 4.7, right click on the start button, open, then one menu will be there. In that menu, open Windows Explorer. You can open Windows Explorer, then one window will open. Left side you can see a list of folders and icons. There you have to select desktop. Then second toolbar you will see new folder, figure 4.8 in the same page. If you click new folder, a new folder will be created. This is another way to create new folder. As we have created a folder, we have to give it a name, otherwise it will be very difficult to find it out, right? So rename means change the name of a file or a folder. So how to do it? First thing, right click on the folder, then it will be selected. Then a menu will come. In that menu you can see rename command. If you click on rename command, then we will be able to type the name for the folder. So rename option is over. We can rename by using one more option, that is using organize option. It is in page number 32. So select the file or folder. Just select the file or folder. So to select a file or folder, you have to click the folder. Then top you can see organize. Just click on organize. Then a menu will open. There also you will get rename option. You have to type the name for the folder and press enter key. So folder will be renamed. Now we have studied to create a folder, rename a folder. Already if you have created a folder, you must know how to delete it too. So before doing anything, we have to select the folder, right click on the folder, then you will get an option delete. So click on delete. So when we click delete, Windows will ask, are you sure you want to move this folder to recycling bin? So if you do like to delete, you can give yes, or else you can give no. So till this we have studied what is Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system that we use to control the activities of a computer. A human being can control the activities of a computer. Next one, what is desktop? The first screen what appears on your monitor when the computer is ready to work. Then we studied about computer icon. The next one was how to create a folder. How to create a folder by using Windows Explorer, rename a folder and delete a folder. Study well.